Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. Now we are going to study about the transportation in plant. Okay. In the previous video, we have studied about that what is mean by transportation. Plant is also living thing. Plant is also need to transport the water, mineral to each and every parts of the plant. Okay. In the last video, we have studied about that xylem and phloem. Xylem tissue transport the water molecule to upward movement and phloem tissue transport the food to all parts of the plant body. In this video, we are going to study about that what is mean by the translocation and what is the structure of root and root here. Got it, student? Let us start the video. In the previous video, we have studied about that the xylem and phloem tissue. So you know that xylem transport the water molecule from root to the all parts of the plant body, and the phloem tissue transport the food molecule from leaf to the all parts of the plant. See, student, what is mean by translocation? Translocation means what, student? See, during the photosynthesis, this is the leaf. In the previous class already you have studied about that the photosynthesis. The leaf is contain the chloroplast organelles which contain the chlorophyll pigment. Plant means leaf have a stomata, absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Root absorb the water and transport to the leaf, and in the leaf the process of photosynthesis carried out, means the plant make the food in the leaf. So leaf is called as the food factory of plant. Okay, means plant is autotrophic, plant खुद का खाना खुद बना सकता है, you know, and this food is transport to all parts of the plant including roots also. This process is called as the translocation. Understood, student? What is mean by translocation? Translocation means the process in which the phloem tissue transport the food as a sucrose to all parts of the plant including roots. This process is called as the translocation. Understood, student? means देखो plant ने by the process of photosynthesis plant make the food as a glucose, then many glucose molecules are bind together and make a sucrose. Got it? This is called as the polymerization. Polymerization means the process in which the many glucose molecules are together and form the one sucrose molecule. Got it? Translocation समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? Translocation means what? The plant transport the food molecule from all parts of the plant body as a sucrose through by phloem tissue. This transportation of food is called as the translocation. Understood? Means this is a phloem tissue. This phloem tissue is transport the water molecule, and means the xylem tissue transport the water molecule only upward direction, but the phloem tissue transport the food molecule to all direction, downward, upward. Got it? And whatever remaining food which is stored in the plant body like stem, roots, okay, and this food we are taking. Got it, student? What is mean by translocation? Next part of this video is the structure of root. You know, root is very important parts of the plant. Why? Because the root is a main function to absorb the waters and minerals from the soil and transport to the upward direction. And another important function, it is a supportive function. The roots fix the plant into the soil. Got it? It also give the support to the plant. See, student, this is the structure of root. This is the main root. It is also called as the primary root. If in your house have a small plant in your garden, you appreciate the tree, or you will observe what is the structure of the root. One single main root is called as the primary root. On the main root is divided many lateral many sub branches. These roots is called as the lateral root, and these lateral roots have a many small hair like projection. This is called as the root hair. Got it? This is the root tips, which is the deep into the soil, and the root tips have a cap like structure. This is called as the root cap. There is present the meristematic tissue. Due to this meristematic tissue, root are grow in downward direction. Understood, student? What is the structure of root? Let us revise. The main root is called as the primary root. This main root is divided into the many branches. These branches is called as the lateral root, and on the lateral root there are very small hair like projection. This is called as the root hair. The root hair is very important part because the main absorption of waters and minerals which is performing by the root hair. This is the tips of the root. On the tips of the root have a root cap. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रूट. अगर आपके गार्डन में अगर छोटा प्लांट होगा बेटा, ग्रास प्लांट, यू विल अपरूटेड, आप उसको बाहर निकालो और ऑब्जर्व द रूट. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी रूट, व्हाट इज द लैटरल रूट, व्हाट इज द रूट हेयर, टिप्स ऑफ द रूट, कैप ऑफ द रूट, you will observe it at home. Understood student? What is the structure of root? Let us see the root here because it is very important parts of the plant. This is the structure of root. The main absorption of the minerals, these work is performed by the root hair. The root hair have a, see this is the root hair. The root hair have a two membrane. This outermost membrane of the root hair is called as the cell wall, and the innermost membrane of the root hair is called as the cell membrane. The two outermost membrane means, see in the higher classes you have studied about that. The cell, the plant cell have a cell wall, and the animal cell have a only cell membrane. The cell wall is outermost covering of the root hair. It is freely permeable, means it allowed any substance enter and exit into the cell. This is the structure. ये root hair है. This is the root hair. Got it? On the root hair have a two membrane, cell wall and cell membrane. The cell wall is a freely permeable. Freely permeable means it allowed all the substance which is enter into the cell. And cell membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means the cell membrane is allowed only selective material which is enter and exit. Understood? Due to the cell wall, the water is absorbed into root. Cell wall and cell membrane, it is only important nutrient, and water molecule is a absorption. Understood? It have a large vacuoles. The plant cell have a large vacuole. It contain the, this is a vacuole. This is a large vacuole. It contain the cell sap. Cell sap means water and minerals. It contain the water and minerals, but minerals concentration is a higher in the cell sap. This is the nucleus. Nucleus, you know, nucleus is very important part of the cell because all the function which is performing these functions is controlled by the nucleus. Understood student? This is the structure of root hair, and the root hair absorb the water from the soil. Structure समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको root hair का? Root hair, this is the structure of root hair. Root hair have a two membrane. Outermost membrane is called cell wall. Inner membrane is a cell membrane. Cell wall is a freely permeable, means it allowed all substance which enter and exit into the cell. Cell membrane is a freely it is a selective permeable, means it allowed only important substance which enter and water molecule to enter in the cell. Cytoplasm is a liquid. It is a, in the root hair have a large vacuoles. It contain the cell sap. सेल सैप मीन्स एक लिक्विड होता है, उसमें वाटर और मिनरल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होता है. वाटर से कंपेयर मिनरल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होता है. ड्यू टू दिस सेल सैप, रूट कैन एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर फ्रॉम आउटर फ्रॉम टू द सॉइल. Understood, student? What is the structure of root here? See, student, root here is very important part of the root. Why? Because the root here is absorbing the water from the soil. Then how can the root here absorb the water from the soil? Three way, because there are so many millions, billions, trillions of root hairs are present on the root, means they have a large surface area. So the big tree like that neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree, these are a too much large tree. Then the roots are very far away from the tree and absorb the water and transport to the plant, means there is a large surface area. Root here provide the large surface area to the plant, so more surface area, more absorption of water. Got it? The cell sap is contained, means see, it is the vacuoles, it contains the cell sap. There is the higher concentration of minerals. In that lesson we have to study about that many definition like diffusion, osmosis. In the next video I will explain what is meant by diffusion, osmosis. देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे सेल सैप होता है. इन द root here have a cell sap. There is a higher concentration of minerals. In the soil there is the higher concentration of water. There is the lower concentration of water. So by the process of diffusion, the water molecules are movement from higher concentration to the लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. मीन्स जो रूट हेयर होते हैं वहाँ पे सेल सैप होता है. सेल सैप मीट कॉन्सेंट्रेट लिक्विड. वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यहाँ पे कम है, इसीलिए रूट यहाँ पे वाटर का, सॉइल में वाटर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है. सो द वाटर डिफ्यूजन एक प्रोसेस है. In that process, the any molecule is transfer the moment from higher region to the lower region. By the process of osmosis, by the process of diffusion, the water molecule are transferred from soil to the root here. When I am teaching you the definition of diffusion, osmosis, that times you will clear about that. Got it? And the cell wall is freely permeable, so the water molecule is directly transferred from soil to the root here. Got it, student? What is the special feature of root here? First, the large surface area provided the root here to the plant, so large number of water molecule is absorbed. Second, the root here contain the cell sap. There is a higher concentration of minerals, so the water is a transfer from soil to the root. And third is the cell wall is a freely permeable, so it allowed the any water molecule which is entered from soil to the root here. Understood, student? What is the structure of root? What is the function of root? In the next video I will explaining about that the some important definition which is related for absorption of root. Understood, student? Today's topic, today I have taught you about that this translocation. Translocation क्या होता है बेटा? Means the moment of transfer the food material through by phloem tissue. It's called as the translocation. Then structure of root. Root have a main root, then it is branches is a lateral root. Okay. Then root here is very important part of the root. In the next video I will explain about some part definition related to the absorption of root. Thank you, student.